Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a SIM card on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. So here I have a SIM card that I need to install on my Samsung phone. Now most of the newer phones will have a nano size SIM, usually a SIM you would get from your phone carrier that will provide it to you. Now once you have the SIM, you also need a tool that will be able to help you, which is going to be a SIM ejector tool. Usually looks like this. Now if you don't have this, don't worry, you can also take a paper clip and basically make it shaped like this, or you can use an old earring piece. That will also work as well. Now once you have one of this tool, we need to find the SIM slot on the phone here. Usually on a Samsung phone, it might be on the top or the bottom. Again, depends on what model phone you have. Now, or it could be on the side sometimes, either left or right. But basically, you're going to look for this little hole right here with that outline, cutout outline. That is where the SIM tray is. So you look for something like this, again, on the top or the bottom, possibly on the side. And once you have that, you're going to take your SIM ejector tool or your paper clip or earring piece, doesn't matter. And we need to remove the tray first. So what we'll do is put that pin in there and then give it a gentle push. It's a little push that you have to give once you put it in the hole, and that's going to pop out the SIM tray, and then you can use your finger to take it out. Now what will happen is when you take it out, you should see where somewhere it says SIM, so you can figure out what side to put the SIM on. So right here it says SIM. You might also see a micro SD slot as well. So you're going to look for the SIM one, and then you're going to take your SIM tray, and there's a cut corner on the SIM. Usually you'll match it up with the cut corner. For example, this one, you'll see here the cut corner lines up in this corner, so I just use my finger. Try not to get too much dirt or oil on this, as it will impact the SIM. And once you have it, it should lay flat, and then you just take it and just line up the hole again and just put it in exact same way, and you should be using your finger to just slide it in, press it against it, and it should be flushed like that. And that's how you can install a SIM. Now once you install the SIM, there's usually one more step. You might get a notification to restart your phone in order for it to pick up the SIM configuration. So you're going to click on restart. And once you do that, you should be able to get phone service and ready to go on your device. So that's how you install a SIM on your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Samsung and Android phone. We'll see you guys next time.